सतगुरु पीछे छुट्टियां
सिर्फ आगे जनवरी सिर्फ आगे अरे वो यार पापा जी देखो
गुड किथे जाना
मम्मा ने भी बोला
ऑन टाइम बिकॉज स्टेट लाइन दोबारा क्रॉस करनी है सी
All right, straight ahead the Nevada Spillway. Notice how the white line is above the spillway. Yes, the river did go over both spillways continuous, which stained the mountain. And we're getting close to the state line, getting ready to cross over once again. We are back at Nevada, the Silver State. Coming up, we're approaching the angels. You may notice their feet gold. The star behind the angels' feet, they say if you vigorously rub both angels' feet, you will receive good luck.
कितना सोना लगता है अच्छा पुल बनया है वो तो गड्डियां जांदियां पईयां ਇਹ ਜੋ ਨਾ ਇਹ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਆ ਵੀ